ka Business Advisory Committee BAC ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ha ka Tarik Rymphang arjar pusan kalashim ye ka rai ba ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka jong ka yeng Dorbar thawain ka jala Meghalaya kan Sdang Naduh ka Tarik Rymphang arjar pusan la pentip do Rymphang ka yeng Dorbar Thomas e Sangma haba pentip ye ka ni sigila pthai kubor u Rymphang u loong ba ka ni ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka kan ne adu Sngi bat penkut pat ye ka khalai trik luber arjar pusan nalor ka taw lo pentip bo mitrang ba ka jala konrat ki Sangma nwanra e ka Mang Tyngka ka santrik luber arjar pusan Long balai Sngi nak Dorbar kadai nak benta ki private members business kat bah new Sngi pat on ai kerpang nak benta ki government business.
This meeting we have decided to have decided on the calendar for the ensuing budget session 2025, which will commence from 28th of February 2025, and we will be having 10 full working days, which will conclude on the 13th of March 2025, where we will have 3 private members business and the rest 7 government business days, working days. So this is in the calendar for the ensuing budget session. I think 3 private members, 3 days for private members business. I think it's good enough where we have, 10, where we are having 10 working days, because this is a budget session. We will have be discussing about the budget full 3 days, and also discussion on the governor's address full 2 days. Budget will be presented on 5th of March 2025. I think there should be enough time for everybody, and we have also decided that in case there is a shortage of time, we will be happy to extend the time even on Friday also.
Habatin, pej bahaki ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangi bam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka shop plus F Mynta ka Sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya